Yeah, everybody, Queen Olive did it again. You know, when Queen Olive not in the right mood or thing, I love to cook. But I'm in a good mood and everything is good and fine with me. So I cook up a storm. Today I do fish. Everything is pure fish today. So what we have here is brown stew parrotfish over here. Right here we have codfish with cabbage. Codfish with cabbage. You can barely see the cabbage in there. And this is potato salad. The potato salad with my beetroot. I love my beetroot. And over here I have whitening fish with some other fish is in there, cut in brown stew, everything down. So as I said, people, cooking is my pleasure, my happiness, my joy. Whenever I cooked, I'm the most happiest person on the face of earth. Whenever I give somebody a plate of food, I'm so happy and I love doing it, and I'm not gonna stop loving giving people a plate of food, because the food is the stuff of life. Remember, people, we say we have a lot of people out there, and today's Sunday. Sunday we cook a lot of food, and when we cook a lot of food, we can go out and share our food with somebody. We share our food, we are sharing our love. Food is make for eat. You know, we go to doctor, they tell you don't eat this and don't eat that. Then we stop eating what we supposed to eat. Then we getting sick, and doctor say, what happened to you? Why you not eating? Why you not that? Blah blah blah. Because he tell you not to eat and you don't eat. But I'm telling you, food is the stuff of life. We have to eat food, put food in our body. When we was much younger, though, when we was in Jamaica, we are getting the real organic food, because we get the food straight from the butcher shop, straight from the sea. We get the fish, you know, we get everything straight from the ground and things, and that's what we call organic. But we have to just cook it up ourselves and make it be lovable, niceable, and tasteable. Yes, again, this is Queen Olive in Queen Olive Clean Nice Kitchen. Yes, over there, my clean nice kitchen, just done cook. And here's my white rice over here, the white rice right there. But my clean nice stove, we finish cook and clean up and everything. Yes. So people, even my garbage pan shine and pretty, because every time I think that I clean it. Every time I wash my place, I clean it. So God bless you all. Have a wonderful Sunday, the 6th day of the 2nd month of the year. Let us all be happy and be encouraged by the good Lord who has made us, and enjoy yourself. Bye bye. Thank you all.